Each customer location requires a power supply to the ONT, the gray box on the outside of the location where the VTel connection meets the customer-owned wiring. The power supply provides regulated power supply to the ONT and also provides a backup power to the ONT in case there is a loss of commercial power. This is a major difference from the old copper network, which received its power from the central office or a remote terminal. Without a backup battery or an alternate backup electrical source, such as a generator, customers will not be able to make any calls, including emergency calls to 911 during a power outage. In order to preserve the life of the battery during a power outage, internet and television services are not powered by the backup battery. The power supply consists of two parts, including the power supply itself and the enclosed battery. Your particular power supply may appear slightly different from the one shown here. The battery that VTel installed when your location was first connected to the fiber optic network can provide about 8 hours of service under normal continued use, which is the time that the battery spends connected to the ONT, not the time you spend using your phone. Please note that aged batteries may need replacement. Environmental factors, such as temperature, can shorten a battery's useful life. Batteries will not last forever and should be replaced periodically according to the manufacturer's recommendation. It is the customer's responsibility alone to maintain the battery and purchase and install replacements as needed. The battery that we install with the fiber connection is the VRLA Rechargeable BP7.2 12-volt unit. Many customers have asked, how can I increase my backup battery time? During an outage, one thing you can do is temporarily disconnect the battery, preserving its power until you reconnect it to make a call or when you expect a call to come in, similar to how you deal with nearly every other device in your home during a power outage, such as turning off your cell phone to preserve power until you know you can charge it again. Another option is to have replacement batteries on hand to swap out after the connected battery runs out of power. 8-hour replacement models, similar to the one we've provided, are available to purchase from many retailers, including Amazon.com, atbat.com, ATBATT.com, Bibbins Ace Hardware here in Springfield, Vermont, and Graybar in Rutland, Vermont. Additionally, external battery packs, EBPs, with a 20-hour rating are available for purchase. These can be attached to your 8-hour unit to provide longer continuous service. This model is the CyberPower CS20A-EBP, and it takes a 20 amp-hour VRLA battery. Up to 3 of these 20-hour battery units can be added to your standard 8-hour unit, providing up to 68 hours of uninterrupted telephone service. The 20-hour EBP is simply hung on the wall next to your 8-hour unit and connected with a single cord. Just one cord also connects additional 20-hour EBPs together. Additionally, 20-hour EBPs may be able to be ordered from Graybar in Rutland, as well as from various online sources such as bhphotovideo.com and shi.com. If you'd like to know how to disconnect and reconnect your battery, simply go to the location of the battery in your home or business. Open the cover and pull the battery out of the casing. Like so. Disconnect either the black or red wire, or both, from the battery to stop the power supply. To reconnect, simply connect the wire or wires you disconnected, reseat the battery, and close the cover. The alarm may sound to indicate that the battery backup unit is operating on battery power. If you would like to silence the alarm, simply press the alarm silence button. If you'd like to know how to daisy chain your 20-hour backup unit to your 8-hour backup unit, first, follow the manufacturer instructions for mounting the battery backup units to the wall, installing the battery, as well as connecting it to the housing. Take this white plug and plug it into the port in the underside here. Strap it in and secure it. Included in your box is a daisy chain wire and a connector. Using a small Phillips head screwdriver, insert the red and black wires into the ports so that the red cord falls on the left and the black on the right, with the plug facing up. Then install that end of the plug into the underside of the right-hand side of the 20 amp hour battery unit. Like that. Next, install the end of the white plug into your 8-hour battery backup unit on the right-hand side underside. Like so. It is in this way that you can link up to 2 more 20-hour battery units into the first one. Solar packages are available for recharging your batteries in the instance of commercial power outage. The following businesses are happy to discuss solar options with customers, provide parts and guidance, and perform installations. Thank you, and if you would like additional information regarding your account, power supplies, or fiber optic connection, please call us at 802-885-9000 or email us at info@vermonttel.com.